Welcome to episode 4 of the 5-Star Grow Along.
Last week we showed you how much our plants had grown.
And we did our measuring, mixing, and watering with the 5-Star Grow Kit. Ready to check out the garden, Rotten?
To the Growmobile.
Buckle up.
Lift off.
How's it looking, Rotten?
Looks like our plants have been doing some growing.
All right. Ready to measure up? Let's see how much our plants have grown and compare them to last time.
Wow, 22 inches tall.
Let's see. Last time our tomato plant was 16.5 inches tall. Oh my! That means it grew a whole 5.5 inches. It's so tall, now it's ready for a tomato hoop.
Finally, all that practice is paying off.
That's a hula hoop, Rotten. We're talking different hoops here. A tomato hoop, also known as a tomato cage, helps the tomato plant grow upright.
Yowzer, get a look at the other plants.
Our zucchini plant is 2.5 inches taller and 1 inch wider. And the pepper plant is 1.5 inches taller. Hey, it's that time again. Time to grab our grow kit.
Let's get to it.
And don't forget, we've graduated to the grow phase this week. Hey, helping hands. Could we get a hand over here? Thanks, helping hands.
All right, looks like that's it.
We'll be back next week to see how much they've grown and check for any pests or disease and to mix and water in the 5-Star recipe.
And you can do the same at home.
Get your very own grow kit and tune in next time. You can find a link in the description below.
If you haven't already, get your grow kit and join the Grow Along.
And remember to check in on your plants throughout the week. Depending on the weather, you may need to water them more often.
And for best results, water in the 5-Star recipe 3 times per week.
So until next time, like this video, hit subscribe, and watch more videos. And to learn more, visit SierraNaturalScience.com.
See you later.